The residential mowing experience has been reborn, redesigned from the ground up, and relentlessly tested to elevate the standard of style, comfort, speed, and precision. Introducing the all-new ZT HD from Gravely. Bold, aggressive new design provides better control, a smoother ride, and improved stability. A 5.5-inch deep deck features a durable, reinforced leading edge and optimal airflow for challenging cutting conditions. The exclusive constant belt tension system maintains constant belt tension, keeping the blade tip speed and cutting results consistent. The fully welded tubular frame is a professional-grade backbone, tough enough to get the job done in your backyard. Commercial-grade, high-efficiency design delivers responsive control and increased torque. The plush, high-back seat ensures upgraded comfort for longer mowing sessions. And the flip-up floor pan provides instant access to inspect and clean the top of the mower deck. Maintain your lawn with a machine that is changing the zero-turn landscape. The all-new ZT HD, only from Gravely.